Hi, my name is Aleksia Ilic, and welcome to my enterprise computing project, Smart Study Hub. This innovative system was designed to solve a very real problem that students face every day: how to manage their study time effectively, stay motivated, and make their habits smarter, not harder. In this short video, I'll walk you through the problem I identified, how I developed the system using enterprise tools and user feedback, and how it addresses key ethical, legal, and user experience considerations. Let's start with the issue. High school students, especially those in years 10 to 12, often struggle with time management, focus, and maintaining effective study habits. Most tools currently available are either too static, like paper planners, or too broad, like standard learning management systems. They don't provide real-time feedback or adapt to how a student actually works. There's a clear gap for a system that's simple, responsive, and student-centered. That's where Smart Study Hub comes in. Smart Study Hub is an interactive Google site integrated with a timer, feedback forms, dashboards, and support resources. It allows students to start focused study sessions with a built-in timer, log their focus levels and study methods, view live visualizations of their progress, and receive personalized study tips based on their data. The system is built using Google Apps Script, Google Sheets, and Common Ninja. With the user interface designed in Canva, this makes the system both functional and visually appealing, but most importantly, user-friendly. It's an intelligent digital space designed to reflect and support the student's learning journey. Let's take a quick walkthrough. On the homepage, users are welcomed with a brief explanation of what the platform does and are invited to start studying. Button here takes you to the Focus Timer page. The Focus Timer page lets students begin a study session with a simple interface, which is this timer. At the end of the session, they fill out a short feedback form: how focused they felt, what they were working on, and which method they used. This information is anonymously stored and analyzed. Next is the dashboard, where users can see their data visualized through bar graphs, line charts, and pie charts. These include time studied, focus trends, and methods used, giving students a sense of progress and motivation to keep going. The Resource Hub takes it one step further. It provides personalized suggestions based on the data entered, such as mindfulness exercises for low focus or spaced repetition templates for memory supports, and videos. There's also a feedback page for users to submit ideas or concerns. Behind the scenes, I used Google Sheets for storing data, Common Ninja and Google Apps Script to run the automated timer and data logs, and Google Sheets for building engaging interactive charts. Because the entire system is hosted on Google Sites, it's easy to deploy, free to use, and accessible from any device, meaning schools could implement it without any additional cost. From the very beginning, I made sure that Smart Study Hub followed the ethical and legal standards of enterprise computing. No personal identifiable data is collected. All participation is voluntary and anonymous. The system clearly explains how data is used, and data is stored securely, and only general trends are analyzed. This ensures that student privacy is respected and the tool remains safe and inclusive. After developing the prototype, I conducted a pilot test with 3 senior students. Here's what I found. 100% said the system was easy to use. 80% felt more aware of their focus habits. 60% used the Resource Hub multiple times a week. These results show that the system is not only functional, but genuinely useful to the intended audience. However, like any good system, there's always room for growth. Feedback highlighted the desire for gamification, mobile responsiveness, and a dark mode, all of which I plan to implement in the next version. Smart Study Hub is more than just a website. It's a personalized learning companion, one that empowers students to take control of their time, reflect on their progress, and improve their habits. This project challenged me to think like a designer, coder, and user all at once. I'm proud of what I've built and excited by the impact a system like this could have in real classrooms. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing your feedback.